Proper sizing design is necessary to create a balance between flow velocity, flow volume, and pressure head losses. Due to similar inside diameter dimensions, AquaRise may use design sizes similar to copper. Depending on design velocity considerations, AquaRise may even permit designers to use one nominal size smaller than copper. An AquaRise water distribution system offers increased flow capacity when compared to alternative piping materials. AquaRise and Type L copper have similar inside diameters, while PEX and CPVC are considerably smaller. Most of the time during pipe sizing of a potable water distribution system, AquaRise can be used as a direct substitute for Type L copper for new designs and system replacements, while one nominal size larger of PEX or CPVC may be required to maintain equivalent flow and velocity. In addition, it's also important to remember that the comparative volume flow capacities are proportional to the square of the inside diameters. For example, 1-inch AquaRise has a 23% larger inside diameter than 1-inch PEX. This results in a 52% larger flow area than PEX. The maximum design velocity for AquaRise systems is 8 feet per second, or 2.44 meters per second. This limit is considered a good balance between maximizing flow capacity while minimizing frictional head losses and water hammer potential. This velocity limit does not account for possible erosion of metallic system components and fixtures. The system must be designed and installed utilizing good engineering practices. To minimize water hammer and prevent damage to the system, use slow closing valves and water hammer arresters, regardless of the velocities. Never exceed a maximum velocity of 8 feet per second for AquaRise components. For more information, refer to the AquaRise technical manual or contact IPEX directly. Visit us at IPEX, aquarise.com.